Well, I'm hearing something over in the woods here. I'm gonna go investigate. Jumping around. Can't imagine a grouse making that much noise, but let's go take a look. Maybe a deer? Well, where did he go? He got a well-trod deer path here. I heard him. Oh, there's a little bird there. Guess it could have been that little bird, but I don't think so. Well, I scared him away, I guess. Huh. Another RV site right here. I didn't realize how close this one was. Pretty nice one too. Well, whatever it was jumping around. Could have been, I don't know. Site number 60. That's site over there that's on another road. It's pretty close too. I thought maybe that one was the closest site to me, but this site 60 is the closest. So, well, I thought I'd see if I could catch something on camera. Some little critter. So right now I'm just joining my morning coffee and watching a few campers pulling out. And I gotta think about some food here, I think I'll skip taking a shower. I did want to get that set up just to get that routine down. But I am gonna make some bacon, well, sausage and eggs. Get that made. Pretty nice, you know, it's 62 outside, but if I want a little heat, I just turn this heater up, get some little heat going, and it blows on me nice. Yeah, well, I'll get back to you when I put on dinner, or breakfast. Dinner. It might be dinner by the time I get to it, but okay.